fleet managers. Leveraging technology can slash your fuel costs. Want to know more? Download our guide for 80 proven strategies and tech solutions designed to maximize your fuel efficiency.
This week's CCJ Tech Shorts highlights a new fleet maintenance platform feature, a Fleet Safety Platform's AI certification, a new tool for trucker health management, and the NMFTA's redesigned website.
Welcome to CCJ's Tech Shorts, your weekly look at technology and trucking. I'm CCJ's tech editor, Angel Coker. Go ahead and subscribe, and let's get started.
Fleet maintenance platform Fleetio has launched a new feature that streamlines workflows for more than 8 million vehicles by eliminating fragmentation amidst key systems, platforms, vendors, and technicians during time-sensitive situations. Fleet Map brings critical features into one source-agnostic system to minimize delays and keep fleet assets in service. These features include asset locations, job sites, maintenance statuses, and nearby shops and vendors. Fleetio says customers using Fleet Map can save an average of 3 hours for every 10 transactions when used in tandem with Fleetio's automated approvals in its maintenance shop network. Netradyne, provider of the driver eye dash camera, has added another globally recognized ISO standard to its data security portfolio, validating the company's approach to developing and deploying AI responsibly, ethically, and safely. It has completed its first ISO 42001 Artificial Intelligence Management System certification audit, achieving 0 nonconformities. This is the international standard for AI management systems, requiring organizations to demonstrate transparency, fairness, accountability, privacy, and proactive risk management across their AI programs. A new feature within the free Project 61 app is now available to help truck drivers build stronger nutrition habits. Called Fuel, the new feature is designed to work within drivers' reality of limited time and imperfect food options. It gives drivers a simple daily checklist focused on practical nutrition fundamentals that can support better energy, steadier focus, improved mood, and long-term health. The checklist, which includes protein, vegetables, fruit, whole grains, healthy fats, and non-sugar drinks, avoids calorie counting and focuses on consistency. The National Motor Freight Traffic Association has rolled out a redesigned website with enhancements designed to improve how users find information and access tools. New functionality allows users to access the information they need by connecting related content across 3 core pillars: cybersecurity, classification, and digitalization. In addition, NMFTA members can directly log in to the My NMFTA online membership portal for a tailored experience. The site also introduces faster, more intuitive access to key product offerings, including standard carrier alpha code, Class IT+, interpretations, and standard point location code. The launch supports NMFTA's broader strategic initiatives, including the rollout of SCAC Verified and the Freight Fraud Prevention Hub.
That's everything from us for now. Be sure to subscribe and hit that bell to catch CCJ's Tech Shorts again next week. Until then, you can read more and sign up for our newsletter at ccjdigital.com. Thanks for watching.